Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Matthew. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MSJ_4times or at Chile Productions. And today it's going to be an update on the Trailblazer from vlog 56, which was the very last vlog I posted. I thought the intermediate shaft went out and whatnot, and I got it back. It's running. I'm going to pull out the parts and show you guys what exactly went wrong. Let's take it from there. Just a quick recap. When I took the Trailblazer to go get my haircut, I was driving up a hill, pressed on the gas a little bit just to pick up more pace. The Trailblazer dropped down in gear. As soon as it did that, I heard a big bang coming from the front, and then the Trailblazer started to roll back down. All gears were neutral. It did grab a little bit, but you could push it in neutral if you wanted to. The only thing stopping the car was the e-brake, and obviously when I was going down, my brakes still work, so that was fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out all the parts, lay them out, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what went wrong. And hopefully this helps out one of y'all. Go ahead and watch, if you haven't watched vlog 53, go ahead and watch vlog 56, sorry. You see how I moved the wheels and where I kind of pinpointed where the noise is coming from a little bit more. That might help you guys out too if you guys are looking for answers for the specific issue. So let me go ahead and lay out all the parts and then we'll dive into it. All right, so I try to get everything laid out the way it would be on a car. So we're gonna have the driver's side obviously right over here, and then this one kind of got broken off, but whatever. This piece will go into the front diff. Sorry, yeah. So this piece will go into the front diff right there. It'll be the front diff right here. The intermediate shaft goes in the oil pan but connects to the front diff. Then on the output side, this will be inside the axle diff disconnect, or the front, I think it's called the axle disconnect, yeah, the CV axle disconnect. And then obviously this would go inside that, but either way, this is inside the disconnect. The intermediate shaft and the CV axle both connect to this piece right here. So if you look inside here, I'm trying to line up the camera. This side it's tapered, so it might look like it's worn, but that's how it's supposed to look. This side is just completely flat. There's still a little bit of grooves right there, but not how it's supposed to be. You can see, there it is. You can see how flat that is. In the back you can see the teeth, and this is where the CV axle is, and that's fine. I could grab onto that easy. This side is just smooth. And then if we look at the intermediate shaft, I saw it shoot up as well. That's what it should look like. And this is what it looks like now. So I could put this in, and like, since the teeth are still kind of there, they grab. But obviously when it was inside the car, it was just spinning around. Grabs a little bit right here. But yeah, that's what happened. So when I was going up the hill and it downshifted, it gets too much power. I'm assuming it was this guy, right? This guy just hit it harder and then ended up tripping. So got these both replaced with some billet cryo treated components, and car's up and going. Also got a couple other things installed while I had it, all that getting put in. So yeah, if you guys watched the other video, you guys seen the other video, you guys would have heard that I heard a clunky noise coming from the passenger side, which explains this piece right here. So these are both garbage, these are both trash. Obviously I replaced the CV axles. I didn't really have to, but got them done. This one was disassembled during removal. Not sure the reason, but hey, I had new ones there. So yeah, all this is trash. Next thing is I need to put back on the lip, so let's go ahead and do that. I also had my sway bar end links replaced when I was there with some white line versions, but look how that one is. That one's bad. Obviously this one was probably replaced before, and this one looks to be factory. If I'm not mistaken, the factory versions didn't come with these little nozzles, so you can add more grease. So I believe this is what they should have both looked like, but either way that was fucked up. And yeah, so I lowered it a while ago. I just never installed some sway bar end links, so I just had those installed as well. All right, and we're all back to how it was before. Everything put back on, everything functioning as it should. We needed to tie up a couple loose ends, and also while I was under there throwing back on the lip and just checking out the work, there's other couple small things I do need to replace, but we'll get there slowly but surely. But as of right now, I'm able to drive it. Everything's good. Shout out to Chacon's Performance. You guys can see him on Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, just go through my who I follow, and then you guys will be able to see his page. Will pop up. It's Chacons_performance, if I'm not mistaken. Check him out. He does solid work at a good fucking price too. So yeah, we're back at it. Now it's time to get ready for the fucking day. Do whatever it is I need to do. And yeah, we know what happened for the second time. At least it wasn't the front diff that went out this time. But yeah, that's it for this vlog.